try and limp this guy back to the shop. He's got a coolant leak. Well, we made it about 7 miles after we topped it off, so let's top it off again, see how far we can get. Alright, we were 30 miles away. We got about 13 left. We've had to pull over twice already, add coolant, but it's working. More than halfway there. Come on, let's get you in, get you taken care of. This guy's got a pretty sizable coolant leak. You guys try to top it off, see if you can make him get him back to the shop so he doesn't have to get towed. I guess it's worth a try. $100 in coolant is better than $1,000 tow. Probably be more than 1,000. Well, we made it back to the shop. That boy's leaking. Drop that trailer, get it in, replace that radiator. We'll have him back on the road in no time. Got the old radiator out. It's right from up here somewhere. New one is in. Add some coolant. It's about ready to go.